It's raining outside. That puddle right there, that's how you can tell it's raining outside. There was a cute little patch of grass in that puddle.
Do you see the grass?
You know, it really makes me sad when it rains outside. Sometimes it even makes me cry. There was just a birdie on my porch. I think I'm gonna hypnotize it so that way it stays on the balcony and becomes my best friend.
There he is. There he is. There he is. You see how pretty he is?
Let's go say hi.
Come here, pretty birdie. Hey!
Okay, so he flew away, but I know I had him in my trance. He was so beautiful. That's it. I'm going inside. Peace out, G.